Have you guys ever noticed Sparkline tab in Excel ribbon? I am pretty sure many of my friends are really good at Excel but never might have tried these Sparklines. Actually, I am one of that kind of a user, but not now. Hi guys, it's Techigan here, and in my new video I will take you through the options of a Sparkline in Excel. Basically, a sparkline is a tiny chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Sparkline graphs are created within a tiny cell within a worksheet. If you don't have much spaces for big graphs, Sparkline is your only option. Position a sparkline near its data for a greatest impact. Here, I have a set of data which is the cost center expenditure of a manufacturing industry departmental wise. Like I have departments like remelt, caster, hot rolling mill, annealing furnaces, cold rolling mill, roll shop, maintenance, and tension leveling line departments. So this cost is spread across an year and the expenditure is booked every month wise. You can see that for Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, as it goes till December. So I want to see the trend line, like how is the expenditure in each department in a quick view. Looking at these numbers, I cannot get a representation of the cost trend actually, because there are a lot of values and it doesn't help you to understand how is the trend going. And if you want to present this information in a report and you don't have space for a big graph, then go for Sparklines. So I have put a field over here, a blank field, where I am going to bring these graphs. As I told you before, these graphs can be fit in only one single cell. Okay, so in order to put this graph, what you need to do is select the cell where you need to bring the graph. So I need to bring the graph on this cell. Now you need to go to insert, and if you come down here you can see Sparklines. If you click, actually there are three ways you can present this graph. One is line graph, and other one is column, and the next one is a win/loss graph. For doing this third graph, you need negative figures. You need to have a negative value in your value fields. But for us, I have only positive values, so I can use any of these two actually. So I'm gonna try with the first one. So I click this. It's gonna put me two fields. Like it's gonna ask me where is your data range, and where you need to have the cell, where you need to have the graph. In fact, so already this field has been selected. You can see C9. It's C9. So only thing you need to do is you need to select the data range. So you click over here, click and you drag. Okay, then you come back and you click OK. Here you go. It's that simple. See, now you have your graph. To bring the graph into your next fields, there is no need to do the same exercise again. Just simply drag. So I just dragged it. Here we go. So you can see the trend, how it was going. Remelt was performing very much low in the expenditure, and suddenly they had a hike at the end of the year. So that the way is, it's that easy for you to understand. And there are more features in this Sparklines. I can show you that now. If you select this Sparkline cell, you can see another tab will come on your ribbon. That is the Sparkline. If you click on that, you can see the design. You can change the color of the graphs. You can see I'll try some graph change of color. You can see the change. It's coming dark. If you click green, it's get light. And there are another options like you can mention a high point in the graph. If you select this, it is going to highlight what are your high points. You can straight away catch where is the expenditure gone high straight away here at starting, the mid as well as on the starting. So you can see which quarter of the year is spending more, and same as well as you can select the low points, and you can select the first and last point. You can see a tiny dot over here. It's not coming. You can change the marker colors. Hideout. I have selected the first point. You can put it black so it will be visible. See, you can put the last point. You can go to marker, last point, put black as well. So you can see the blacks. You can see the dots. You can also put markers like dots. So see, if you present this information in your report, it can satisfy your both requirements. The end user who is reviewing your report can understand the trend line of the figures, as well as in your point of view you have able to put it under a small space. It doesn't require to consume much space. And the next thing, by basically once you drag all these graphs, you can see it automatically get grouped. So if I want to change this graph from line to column, so go back to insert, I select this and I put column now. No, actually you can just flip it over here. Yeah, once you have already selected your data field, doesn't require to go back and do the procedure, just straight away click on column. You can see the column graph now, and you can see that endpoints are marked, that's the black ones here and here. See, so if you have noticed one thing, even if I click on one cell and selected line, it changes for all. It's because it automatically groups. Once you drag it, it automatically groups your data. So if you don't want it to happen, there is a way around. You can ungroup it. So now if I want only this one to show in a column graph, you can select that particular cell and click column. Sorry, 1 second. Undo this thing. You ungrouped it, right? Ungroup it. Then you select particular thing and you select column. See, it only changes that particular one. That means you need to first select and ungroup, then go for your selection. So now I'm grouping it back, select, group, so automatically it changes. So hope you understand this Sparkline, which has been in my point of view very much less used and one of the most efficient graphs which can be plotted very quickly, doesn't require much time, quick and fast actually. So, and it really has an impact for the viewer or the end user is viewing your report. So hope you guys like my video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for more videos, and see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.